Lethal poison, yes they spray, to steal away us, so they say. I used to love to see the bright blue sky. Now they spray, it makes me wonder why. Those chemtrails, are they here to stay or what? I sure hope not. Or will their poison kill us? The tankers spraying across our skies. Stops global warming, that's all nice. What do these evil bastards gain from this? They've forgotten life can be a bliss. The old chemtrails spread more gas on our heads. We'll soon be dead if we don't stop the chemtrails. Thought I'd hide down in the sun. Now all the spraying has begun. So the giant cities get their ghosts. They poison millions when they spray and roast. It's to kill us, it's their evil plan, you know. It's sad but true. If we don't stop the chemtrails, the governments, they sell our souls. Taxes full control, and blind us once again with all their lies. To spread their burial across the skies. No mercy, we must send them back to hell. We might as well. The only way to stop the chemtrails. Poison, yes they spray, to steal away us, so they say. I used to love to see the bright blue sky. Now they spray, it makes me wonder why. Those chemtrails, are they here to stay or what? I sure hope not. Or will they kill us?